welcome to our warehouse. As you can see, there is a lot going on. I want to show you the 3D printing farm which we have set up right here. This is where the magic happens. In this space, we've set up 36 Zortrax M200 Plus printers, which are working in unison to create models on a large scale. A farm like this is perfect to increase production capacity when you need to print as many models as possible in the shortest amount of time. Our new printers have the capabilities of wireless management and interconnectivity. This allows us to build a network of 3D printers which we can control from the computer screen. Having one person responsible for maintenance also supports our designers and engineers. If we had just one printer set up for any given team member, they would not only lose time doing this, but they would also need to wait for previous prints to be finished to use a different material. A farm helps you avoid wasting time and gives you a chance to print different versions of the same prototype simultaneously. With the support of Wi-Fi, we can connect through our dedicated Z Suite software and start 3D printing on any given M200 Plus, allowing us to have more flexibility with different models. We've also got full control of the entire printing process remotely by managing the files that we are uploading to the printer and then checking up on the manufacturing phase thanks to an integrated camera inside the printing chamber. At any given moment, we can pause or stop the process, switch to a different printer and start anew, all for the sanctity of our working space. The printers are working 24/7. We run endurance tests, we make sample prints for our customers, we produce models which we exhibit on expos or 3D conventions. That's why we have print rooms set around the whole company with different printers, such as the Inventor or the M200, which are also present here. Having a farm of wirelessly interconnected 3D printers makes rapid prototyping and mass production a reality and a much more streamlined experience.